In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix with Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a track, open the remix tools, tailor the lyrics and style, and generate a fresh version that fits your creative vision. Start by opening your browser and searching for Suno AI. Look for the official site and click through to the AI music generator. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, take a moment to create one so your projects are saved and you can return to them later. Once you're in, head to the home page. This view gives you quick access to featured tracks, community creations, and your own songs, making it a great place to pick a solid starting point. Find a song you want to reimagine. Hover over it and click the three dots to open the options menu. Choose cover. This tells Suno you want to create your own version of that piece instead of starting completely from scratch. You'll land in the creation workspace where you'll see a remix option. Click Remix to open the editor and load the track's details into a flexible template. Now customize the lyrics. In the lyrics box, you can keep the original words, tweak a few lines, or rewrite entire sections. For the best results, match the general structure of the original. If the source has short, punchy lines, keep yours tight. If it has a flowing verse and a catchy chorus, mirror that pattern. Pay attention to syllable count and line breaks so the vocals fit naturally once generated. Next, adjust the style. Use the style controls to guide genre, mood, or vocal feel. You can lean into the track's original vibe or take it somewhere new. Think swapping a pop groove for synthwave textures or giving a mellow tune a more energetic, rock-inspired edge. A focused set of style cues usually yields cleaner results than piling on too many directions. When you're happy with the setup, click Create. Suno will generate your remix based on the track foundation, your updated lyrics, and the style choices you provided. Give it a moment to process. When it's done, listen closely. If the vibe isn't quite right, go back, refine a few lyrics for rhythm or clarity, nudge the style toward the mood you want, and create again. Small, targeted adjustments make a big difference. That's the full flow. Search for Suno AI, sign in, go to home, pick a song, use the three dots to select cover, click remix, tailor your lyrics and style, and hit create. Have fun exploring and always respect original creators and platform guidelines as you remix.